Hello friends, welcome again. This is SK Advisory Private Limited.
This video is the continuation of the basic knowledge on chart patterns. In this session, we are going to analyze a triple top pattern. Triple top is the extension of the double top. Triple top is the bearish reversal pattern. In that, price will be going up and then a triple top will appear to signal or reversal to the downside. As I said, it's the extension of the double top because it is very similar to the pattern. When it set two highs hitting the same level, the triple top has three highs hitting the same price level. In other words, highs 1, 3 and 5 form a nice resistance. It means that buyers are trying to create higher high but they are failing to do so. Meanwhile, sellers are gaining power to break out the downside. On detail that we see in the triple top or we don't see in the double top is the fact that is breakout line or the neckline has two axes, so sometimes the line can be sloped instead of horizontal. It all depends on whatever happened when you connect line 2 and 4 to the neckline or breakout line. The right way to trade the pattern is same as before. The trader should wait for the downside of the breakout line and trace back to the line. Acting as a resistance now. It's the other scenario. Stop should be above high 1, 3 and 5 and the target should be at least 3 times as big as the stop loss. Normally people will teach that the target should be a measured movement. That means that the top will be roughly be the same size as the stop, and unfortunately it's not enough to produce good result in the long term to the guard nature of market. Remember that these patterns are apart from being perfect and they will fail a lot of times, so you need to compensate that by using smart risk management. In this case means using a tip of profit that is the few times the size of the stop loss. Letting the market run, of course. So far we have covered the head and shoulder patterns and the double and triple tops and bottoms as part of the reversal categories. Now we must move on reversal wedge. The first we consider is the falling wedge. It's the bullish pattern. In that price will be going down and then a falling wedge will appear, signal reversal to the upside. The wedges are series contracting price movement. If we connect highs and lows, we will observe that the two lines tend to converge to each other. The logic behind the falling wedge is that the price movement. Sellers are losing power. That's why the wedge is progressive, not over. Selling power is too low. Buyers make price break out the wedge to the upside. Using the same logic as before, the idle entry happens when the price retraces back to the upper line of the falling wedge tested as support. The logical stop loss is the below the lowest low in the wedge. You should try for the target that is at least 3 times big as your stop. So guys, this session is ended. The rest all graph we will analyze in our upcoming sessions. If this information is helping you, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to be notified on every update from SK Advisories. Thank you.